Hi, I'm Dustin Fisher, and today we're going to work on a reading strategy called KitKat Connector. Make connections. Connect to what you already know. And I'm mostly going to be focusing on text to self, connecting what we read to what I know or my personal self. So, have any of you guys ever built something really cool, and were really proud of it? I have many times. Then suddenly it got broken or taken. Yeah, I know. It probably made you really sad, huh? I know I felt devastated, crushed, sometimes defeated. Like, why am I even doing this? But do you know anyone, like a family member or a friend, that this has happened to? What did you say to your friend or family member to help them? Well, we're going to be reading a story about a little boy that built a tower and his friends and how they tried to help him. It's called The Rabbit Listened by Corey Dorfield. We will start the reading here in a little bit, but here's a picture of the tower he built. Look how proud he is. Look how tall that tower is. That is so cool. I wish I could build a tower that awesome. But then it all came crashing down out of nowhere. It looks pretty sad. The chicken was the first to notice. Cluck, cluck. What a shame. I'm so sorry. Sorry this happened. Let's talk about it. Cluck, cluck. But Taylor didn't feel like talking, so the chicken left. Do you have any friends like that when you're feeling sad, they just want to just have you try and talk about it? Yeah, I know. Sometimes you just don't want to. I make that mistake myself. I go and when I see people sad, I try and talk to them about it to try and help them out. But maybe that's not what they need at the moment. Next came the bear. Grrr! Roar! How horrible! I bet you feel so angry. Let's shout about it! Grrr! Rah! Rah! But Taylor didn't feel like shouting, so the bear left. Have you ever felt like yelling after something went wrong? Oh, I know, I have. It's not always the best thing to do, but sometimes it is a nice self-reliever. But again, like I said, it's not always the best thing. And maybe not the best to have a friend telling you to do that. The elephant knew just what to do. Trump. Duh, I can fix this. We just need to remember exactly the way things were. But Taylor didn't feel like remembering, so the elephant also left. One by one they came. The hyena, hee hee, let's laugh about it. How about laughing about it? I've laughed at stuff that didn't go as planned. But I don't think I've ever had a friend tell me, let's just go and laugh about it. That'll make it feel better. Did you? The ostrich, gulp. Let's hide and pretend nothing happened. The kangaroo, tisk tisk. What a mess. Let's throw it all away. And the snake, shh. Let's go knock down someone else's. Now, is that a good choice? Have you ever went and knocked someone else's blocks over just because yours were knocked down? I don't know. I think I might have when I was younger, but it wasn't the best choice to do. It's not nice. Just because yours got knocked down. Maybe it wasn't by, on purpose. It was just an accident. But it's not nice to go and do that to somebody else's. I am glad to say I don't have any friends that have went and told me, let's go knock down other people's blocks. Have you? But Taylor didn't feel like doing anything with anybody. So eventually, they all left. Until Taylor was alone. In the quiet, Taylor didn't even notice the rabbit, but it moved closer and closer until Taylor could feel its warm body. Together they sat in silence until Taylor said, "Please stay with me." The rabbit listened. The rabbit listened as Taylor talked. The rabbit listened as Taylor shouted. The rabbit listened as Taylor remembered and laughed. The rabbit listened to Taylor's plans to hide, to throw everything away, to ruin things for someone else. Through it all, the rabbit never left. And when the time was right, the rabbit listened to Taylor's plan to build again. "I can't wait," Taylor said. "It's going to be amazing." See his plan for building a better structure. What was the best reaction for this little boy to take? Was it to break someone else's tower? Yell about it? Forget about it like it never happened? Or maybe take time to process what happened and see what the best choice is? Do you have any friends that are like the rabbit and are there to listen when you need it? How about you? Are you one of those friends that listens to family or friends when they are hurt? It can be hard to just let people vent and talk out their feelings and not to try and help them by solving it. I get it. I do that often. Now I understand better that it's important to just listen at times. Next time you have a family member or friend that is hurt, maybe sit there and listen to them. Because I know I need to work on that. And with reading this book, it helps me see that being a rabbit and just being there to listen is sometimes a better choice than trying to go and help talk it out with someone or yell about it or laugh about it, hide from it, or try and make someone else hurt by it. So maybe we should all try and be a better rabbit and be there to help other people listen. So my challenge to you is the next time a family member or friend is hurt or feeling sad, let's put our ears on and be a little rabbit and listen. Can you do that?